Welcome back. We are now inside of the studio of Blog Talk Radio, and we want to discuss uploading audio for your episode. Now, Blog Talk Radio, when you click this link, you'll note that Blog Talk Radio will give you space to put 3 files in so that you will be able to have it for your bumper audio. So the music that plays at the beginning or your introduction, or if you have something professionally made, you can actually upload those files as long as they are WMA, WAV, or MP3, and each can be up to 100 megabytes. You can also have it play automatically when your show starts, and you can do that by clicking this button. So once you have the files that you are going to upload, all you'll do is you'll grab them from your hard drive and then click upload. Now, as is the case with any network, you are going to want to make sure that you are using royalty-free music for the sake of the network. And you do have an agreement that you have stated that you'll follow. If you have any questions about that agreement, if you click this link, it will take you to your agreement with Blog Talk Radio about content and making sure that it is original or that you have explicit rights to use it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.